In this assignment, you will be writing a research report in a case study setting. These reports are not expository essays. It is not an argument in which a position is defended. In this regard, it is probably unlike any writing you have done in academic courses to date. In an exploratory research report, the research is speaking, not you, with the exception of the conclusion. The report follows a formula that is divided into three major sections: the introduction, the body which includes summaries or digests for each source, and a conclusion which may include a call to action. The introduction briefly and concisely identifies the specific issue or problem explored, what introduces those involved in or impacted by the issue, who, and suggests some of the probable causes, why. These details are provided in the case study. In addition, the introduction must explain your research methodology. The methodology is described in the assignment. The body is composed of sections devoted to each article explored. Each article digest must start with an introduction containing the title of the article, the source of the article, where it is found, the author's or site name, the credentials of the author, and why you chose it for the report. Then, provide in digest form only the relevant information in the article. Rather than state what the author is saying, write concisely what is said. For example, if you write, "The author talks about technology's effect on education," then we don't know what the effect is. Tell us specifically, in summary, what the effect is. Finally, the conclusion must concisely repeat the report introduction: what, who, why, then conclude with an analysis and call to action based on the research discussed in the report. Support your call to action with information gleaned from the articles you summarized. You will spend as much time on the conclusion as you did the summaries because this is the section that recommends next steps. The conclusion must stand on its own. In other words, if the conclusion becomes separated from the rest of the report, it must still present a coherent message in three parts. 1. Statement of the problem. 2. Summarized information found in your research. And 3. The recommended action. More information on exploratory report formats can be found on Purdue's online writing lab site.